Wanna know how to reset your password or recover your account in OkCupid? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your OkCupid application. And once you're there, you should be directed to its homepage. And once it loads, just simply select sign in, select login with email, and then select forgot password. And once you've done it, just simply type in your email address. Select next once you've typed it. And that's it. Now just simply check your Gmail account and then click the link and reset the password easily. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.